Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and thanks so much for being here. In this week's video, we're back up north for a quick day trip. Okay, so we just drove. Our plan was to drive like an hour north, and then we ended up driving 3 hours. So now we're gonna cook some dinner. Okay, so dinner looks a little chaotic, but it's good. We got everything cooking, and I'm making coffee on another stove, and the sun is setting. Right there, it looks way nicer in person, I'm sure you can imagine. We got a fire going, and yep, that's it. I just dropped a piece of meat down. This is dinner and coffees in the train. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you enjoyed this one, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them below in the comments and stay tuned for more outdoor adventures. We'll see you next week.